Hello everyone, we're the South Dakota State University Senior Design Seed Pod Manufacturing Team. I'm Zahra Al-Zawad.
I am Grant Hondel.
I'm Nathan Schaap.
I'm Ben Goodroad.
The team strives to assist reforestation efforts by creating a system for producing seed pods. These seed pods will then be given to the South Dakota State University Reforestation Drone team to drop, eventually growing into trees.
A seed pod consists of materials that protect and help a seed grow, which currently consists of topsoil, clay, and seeds. The mixture is loaded into molds and pressed until the mixture is fully rigid, forming a seed pod.
Finally, the seed pod is extracted from the mold and stored for later use. The assembly shown is a conveyor system. A rack and pinion press is mounted along the top of the conveyor.
The team's current process of making seed pods starts by measuring seeds, bentonite clay powder, and topsoil mixture. The components are added together into a container and mixed thoroughly. Once the mixture is consistent, it's dumped into a mold and pressed until firm. The pod is then extracted from the mold and is ready to be dropped.